Hey friends, it's Jeff Berlin promoting, I feel, the best series of beginner and intermediate reading based books that you will find. I come out of violin training and jazz training, and I've combined the lessons that I learned in order to help non-readers become readers and people interested in learning how to solo and how to improve their playing in different ways. I put all of my knowledge into these books. A beginner reading book, different chord types, different scale and key types, chord tones, approach notes, and walking bass lines. Go to jeffberlinmusicgroup.com, and according to what you feel is your level as a musician, if you're a non-reader, get the beginner reading book. If you can read and want to expand your playing, any of the other books will be helpful to you. Reading is the only proven way to sync up our eye, the music, our hands, the instrument. Reading a note fires off all of these things at the same time, and if we read enough and do it every day, we become better bass players. It's an absolute guarantee if we practice the right stuff. Good luck, my friends.